Dear friend, the 3 main steps of checking if your cake is cooked is to stick a toothpick inside. If it come out clean, it means your cake is ready. Again, if you peel it and it peel easily and clean, your cupcake is cooked.
Hello wonderful people, welcome to Chef GABBY GA channel. Today we are going to learn how to make nice, delicious, fluffy vanilla cupcakes. It is going to be nice and short. Please don't skip this video so that you can learn all about the ingredients and the techniques of making vanilla cupcakes. I know you are going to enjoy this recipe. Come, let's do it together. Yalla!
Dear friend, let's quickly go through the ingredients we are going to use for our vanilla cupcakes. So first we have 2 whole eggs, 120 grams of butter, we have full cream milk, 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of soft flour, baking powder, baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So basically these are the 9 ingredients we are going to use to make our cupcakes. And please, if you don't have this simple equipment, this is 1 cup up to 1/4 cup, and then this can measure up to 2 cups. So you can see this can measure up to 2 cups. So please, if you don't have this easy equipment at home, and this one I used to measure my tablespoons, teaspoons, half teaspoon, half tablespoon, 1/4 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon. This makes the work easier, especially when you're doing pastry. You should be accurate with all your measurements. So please try and get this easy equipment at home. For the mixing machine, if you don't have, you can use whisk. And there, one more important thing: when you are mixing any flour, make sure you use a round bottom, because with this, the bread can easily go to every part of the bowl. If it is square, it cannot go to the corners of the bowl. So anytime you are mixing the flour, make sure you use round bowl or round bottom bowl. If you use square, you see it cannot go to the corner side, so it will just be taken around this size. And when you finish, you will see that you will see unmixed flour at the corners. So always use round bottom bowl to mix your flour. Add our 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Dear friend, I will sift this one. Dear friend, we will first mix the 4 ingredients together: the butter, sugar, egg, and the vanilla essence. Add the sugar once the whisking butter becomes pale. Once you add the sugar, mix it again till it becomes more pale, and add the eggs, but 1 at a time. So dear friend, after whisking the sugar, you can see that the color has changed to more pale. Then you add 1 egg at a time. Dear friend, you can see the dough is splashing in the bowl. So what you can do is to use silicone spoon to clean it nicely and continue your whisking. I'm adding the 2nd egg. Okay, dear friend, I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The recipe is 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but because it's vanilla cake, I will add half teaspoon. You can see what we are going to do now is to add half of the 2 cups of vanilla. We are going to add about 1, and then mix it. So always, as I said, you start from the first one. Add half of the milk and the rest of the flour and mix it again. I will add the remaining milk. Bingo! we are done mixing our cupcake or vanilla cupcake. Time to dish it. Okay, dear friend, the mixture is ready. The tray is ready for our cupcakes to go. You know, I chosen this spoon because this is easy for me to throw in the cake mixture. If you take a round, if you take a ladder like this, look at, like if you take it, it will be difficult and it will be messing up around. So always take the spoon that is suitable. And when you are filling it, because when you bake it, it will rise, you just fill it to half of the baking cup so that your cupcake will not overflow in your oven. And already I'm preheating the oven to 180 degrees. So this is, yeah, so you leave space for the dough to rise when you bake it. Dear friend, the 3 main steps of checking if your cake is cooked is to stick a toothpick inside. If it come out clean, it means your cake is ready. Again, if you peel it and it peel easily and clean, your cupcake is cooked. And also, if you place it and it bounce back, it means your cupcake is cooked. And I tell you, my brother, this one, I don't need to tell you anything. You can see it is well cooked. This recipe is easy to make. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.